now children, today we are going to start with chapter 11, that is manufacturing industry. So in this chapter we will classify about the different industries. So metals are used in industries. The industry, what it's do, it's convert raw material like cotton, iron into finished product like fabric and machine. There are many types of industry. Industrial development, it gives progress to a country on the basis of tool and machines product are manufactured, and there are many types of manufacturing industry in India. So let's study about the classification of industries. We have classified into three types: cottage, small and large scale industry. So first is cottage industry, which is run by the member of the house. It's a very small scale industry. These industries are set up with a small capital, and handloom industry, pottery, handicraft, embroidery, making iron tool, carpentry and making ornament. They have great importance in the Indian economy because what they provide? More jobs to the village people, right? As you know that in the cottage industries, the person, those who are living in a house are only involved. Now small scale, that are set up in a small factory which produces very light item. They can be set up with a small capital as compared to cottage industry. Making soaps, hosiery goods, light electrical appliances, utensils and many other consumer goods are some of the example of such industries. So, what are large-scale industries? These industries are set up by rich industrialists, by the government because huge capital invested in this industry. Big machines are used in these industries and thousands of workers work in the factory. These industries produce what? Goods on very large scale, like we have textile, iron, aircraft, railway engine, cement, paper. These industries are located in different parts of India where raw material and the sources of power and available in abundance. Now we have textile. What does it mean? Woven fabric. These industries includes cotton, silk, woolen, jute and synthetic textile. Mumbai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Kanpur are the important centers. Kachipuram, Varanasi, Srinagar, Mysore, Murshidabad, Tanjore, they are the major center of silk textile. Now if we talk about iron and steel industry, it is most important mineral based industry. What it is called basic industry or key industry. Why? Because iron and steel, they are used to make all types of machines and tools which are used in other. Now aircraft and railway engines and vehicle. Aircraft, railway engines and vehicle industries, these are located at Bengaluru, Kanpur, Hyderabad, Nasik, Lucknow and Korabat. रेलवे जो आपके इंजन्स है वो वहाँ कहाँ मैन्युफैक्चर होता है? वाराणसी में और चित्तरंजन में. Railway coaches and wagons are manufactured at Perumbur and Kapurthala. Automobiles like car, buses, bikes are manufactured sectors that is located in Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Gurgaon, Faridabad, Jamshedpur and Pune. Now paper industry. If we talk about paper industry, they are highly concentrated in the West Bengal and Maharashtra. Newsprint mills are located in the Nepanagar, Navgaon and your Kozhikode. Oil refinery, if we talk about, they are important mineral based industry. They are located in many states of India like Dagboi, Mumbai, Trombay, Visakhapatnam, Bareilly, Chennai, Haldia, Kochi, Koili and Mathura. Then we have sugar industry. Sugar industries depend upon sugarcane. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world after Brazil. So sugarcane is produced in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. That is why most of the sugar factories are located in these. Now heavy engineering and machine tool. Machine tool are used to make other machines. Hindustan Machine Tools has its factories at Bengaluru, Pinjore, Haryana, Hyderabad, Kalanseri, Kerala, Behel, Bharat Limited and Big Generation. And it has its factories in Bhopal, Haridwar, Uttarakhand. India has a great progress in industries after independence. Every year more and more small scale as well as large scale industries are being set up in India. So for setting up an industry besides raw material, we need good means of transport. Source of energy are capital, labor and market, and the economic development of country is largely based on industrial development, right? Now, a chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.